In this video, I will show you how to fix the wizard could not start on Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, click on Start. Now here click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Click on Microphone. Now turn on microphone access and also turn on let apps access your microphone, and make sure if you have issue any particular application, so turn on microphone on that application also, and restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, this simple and easy method will work, and after restart still you are facing problem, so you can try second method. Click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. You will see playing audio. Click on Run and follow the instruction which you see in this display, and after that close it and restart again. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve the wizard could not start on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.